You have 5 Nissan Zs coming next month?
Yeah.
Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. I usually don't talk in public, usually don't start the vlogs in public, but we're here. We had to freaking return a freaking telescope. But on another story, another friend of mine told me that yesterday he was driving by the Nissan of Sacramento and he saw a trailer with a Nissan Z being unloaded at the Sacramento dealer. I know it's not mine, but I'd love to see it in person. So we're gonna go ahead and start off this video by calling Nissan of Sacramento and figuring out if they have the Nissan Z in their lot so we can go ahead, check it out. Hopefully they got it. So I called this morning, Sacramento. They told me yes, they did have one unload off, but that's because they had a Nissan Rogue or something that was dropping off at the dealer and the Z was in the way. So they unloaded it to take off the other cars and then they loaded it back in, and they said it took in the direction of either Roseville or Folsom, and I have mine at Roseville, and it was a manual. I know we went last week and they told me that it was still in production in Japan. Maybe they just don't updated it, and maybe the Nissan Z is already on its way. So we're gonna call Folsom. I'm not gonna get hyped or anything. I just want to go see it.
I'm doing well. How can I help you, Ruben?
So I had one question. Did you guys get a Nissan Z yesterday or today in the morning by any chance?
No, not to my knowledge.
Okay, so
I've taken a decent walk around the lot too, and I haven't seen one. Have a good one. Later.
bye. Let's try. Should we try our dealer? Let's try. Bro, do you guys think that might be my Nissan Z? I think Elgrove is the next biggest one. Let me call Elgrove. I was just calling in to see, did you guys receive any Nissan Z in the lot by any chance today or yesterday?
Double check on it just in case we get disconnected. The 916. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coming next month.
You have 5 Nissan Zs coming next month?
Yeah.
Are they all proto or there's like some trim levels?
They're all SB plus.
They're all what?
SB plus.
SB plus. What is SB plus?
It's gonna be the meter trim, and then it's gonna be the high range, 225.
225.
It could give you 225 miles per charge.
Wait, I think we're talking about different cars. This car's
You're
not
talking about Leaf, right?
No. Nissan Z. The 400Z, the Nissan Z.
Oh, the Z.
Yes.
Okay.
I was like, a Nissan Z, a battery charge? Wait, what?
All right, let's see. One coming, but that one is already pre-sold.
Yeah. When is that one coming?
That will be here on the 29th. If you want to look at it, you can look at it. But
Yeah, okay, so it comes on the 29th? I'd love to take a look.
that's the ETA on it. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Is there manual or auto?
Oh, it's a manual transmission.
Oh, manual? Oh, that's sweet. How much did you guys sell it for, do you know?
I think it was like 56.9, I believe.
You sold it for
Yeah, we don't
50
do dealer markup here.
for 56?
56.
56 plus markup or?
We don't do dealer markup. $56,915 plus taxes.
No way. You guys are insane, man. When did that one get sold? Like what month back?
That was probably 2-3 months ago.
Damn, that is crazy. Sold at MSRP? What? Wow. Bro, if this was at 56, man, I'd almost pay cash, bro. I'd almost pay cash. Yeah, may you transfer me to sales?
We didn't get a Nissan Z today, Jesse.
By any chance, did you guys receive allocation of the Nissan Z? Yeah, hi. I was wondering if you guys received a shipment of the new Nissan Z. Yeah, hi. I was calling in to see if you guys received a shipment of the new Nissan Z. I'm calling in to see if you guys by any chance received a shipment of the new Nissan Z. Yeah, hi. Good morning. I'm calling in to see if by any chance you guys received a shipment of the new Nissan. I'm losing hope, guys. Where the hell is Z? Yeah, hi. I was calling in to see if by any chance you guys received a ship.
Alright guys, so there you guys have it. I could not find the Nissan Z. I could not track it at all, nowhere. I called a gajillion dealers. Nobody has them. So we got 2 things to do for the rest of the video. We're going to go to a meet, check out some cars. And then second, we're going to wake up tomorrow early in the morning. We're going to be in the news. I'm not sure what's gonna go on, but we're gonna be in the news, and we have our friend Cena rolling up right now. But we're gonna be in the news, the Sacramento local news. It's kind of crazy. Yes, sir. He just wrapped his new E36. Check that out. There it is. Very nice, sir. Looks good on camera. Fist me. Hey, yo! The struggles we do to record Instagram reels. Damn, girl, why you so tall? Let me air you out. Oh, bro. No way, you didn't record, bro.
I didn't record.
Nah, actually.
Swear to God.
Why's your thing so loud? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a little dark. I only have purple lights. I don't know why. I need to install white ones. But we're going to the meet right now. Let's see how cool it is. Hopefully it's pretty chill. This is what it feels like to drive in a 5% tint all around G35 with just gauges and whatever. But you can't see anything except the Supra in the front. I was debating about early on my G35 stage. I wanted to get the R1 Concept BBKs, but these suckers cost like, I don't know, let's ask the owner right now. Hey, how much did your R1 Concept BBK cost?
When I got the car, it came with it.
Oh, it came with it? Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, I reached out to them and I think they wanted like 2K for just the front ones. Hey, this red is nice, bro. I wonder what red is this? Looks pretty sick. Hella red.
Don't judge the dirt. Don't judge the dirt.
Oh shit, is this your car?
Don't judge the dirt, Ruben. Watch out, watch out.
Nah, bro, it's clean. I was telling them the red is hella nice. What red is this?
That's the Vinyl Frog Vampire Red. It's a metallic.
Vinyl Frog Vampire Red.
It's a metallic. That's the way they shine it.
Alright, y'all, we're bright and early the next day. I can't believe it, even I'm awake, bro. Like I usually am not awake at this time, but it's about 7:10 in the morning. Now that I think about it, that's not actually that early. Well, I woke up at 6:30 to be fair, but anyways, we're on our way to downtown Sacramento to meet up with this is the owner that hosts Cars and Coffee 916, so Cars and Coffee Sacramento. So he hosts those meet. So we're gonna go ahead and meet up with him. He told me if I wanted to be in a news segment, so it'll be kind of interesting. First time being in the news, can't reject it. So we're gonna go meet up with him downtown and see what's up. Let's go ahead and try to do a pull. Every time I went on the freeway, I always used to do a pull. So we're about to do it right now, as long as there's no CHP. As long as there's no CHP. Now, I'm also not gonna full throttle it because I'm one-handing this shifter. You know, it's not an automatic. It's a... We're just parking up right here. They're doing the new segment at around 8, so we're kind of just parking our cars. It's a little small segment. This is going to happen actually Friday, so about 2 days from now there's going to be an event here, so they're kind of just promoting it and they invited us out. So when you can, plug the boys. It's Auburn. So I think they're about to go live and we're standing next to our cars, and I'm over here standing by my car looking like the next boss in Most Wanted. So this is gonna be kind of crazy, but honestly, if they ask me questions, bro, I don't know what I'm gonna say, but we'll just kind of go with it.
More vendors, about 20 that will be out here Friday night, as well as these incredible cars, you guys.
That's how he needs to vlog.
Guys, so that was the end of this episode and the new segment. Make sure to give this video a like. I'm talking to somebody right now who has a Nissan Z right now, first one in California. So today I should be able to, they're gonna let me know if they can come down on their price. It is a little bit expensive. I'm trying to work with ADK because that's what I have my current Nissan Z with. If they're able to come down to that price, I'm gonna go cop it. So I'll bring you guys that news later. We'll see. Hopefully, man. Cross your fingers. All right. Peace out, guys. Take care. Love you guys. Peace.